Hello guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So today we have a Cellogen Therapeutics Fellowship for you. So this is CIRF, Cellogen Innovators Research Fellowship. The application is now open. So this is a fellowship program where you get a stipend for 10,000 per month, and this is basically to get a hands-on exposure in CRISPR, LVV, and CART engineering, AI in healthcare, computational neurosciences, clinical oncology under the scientists and labs across India. So let's see what all are the eligibility criteria and what will be the mode of selections. So basically, this is open to graduate and postgraduate students. Let me open the application form for you guys. You can find the link for the application in our description box down below. So there you can get it and see this is the application form, how it looks like. This is the Cellogen Innovators Research Fellowship for 2025 to 26. So this is open for graduate, postgraduate students in neuroscience, biotechnology, or bioinformatics from a recognized Indian academic and R&D institutions. The fellowship will support hands-on training and research exposure in specialized areas including CRISPR, LVV, CAR, T-cell engineering, etc. And the selected candidates may undertake the internship under any scientific faculty or of any laboratory, institute, university, research center willing to provide training across India. So through this fellowship, you can apply to various laboratories and institutions who are accepting this fellowship, and you can get trained there. And for this, you'll get 10,000 per month. So this Cellogen Therapeutics will oversee the screening, shortlisting, and interview process with final selection based on merit and overall performance. So it will carry the stipend for 10,000 per month. The eligibility here is students who have completed or are currently pursuing a BE, B.Tech, B.Sc, M.Sc, or M.Tech degree in neuroscience, biotech, or bioinformatics from a recognized Indian university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent grade in academic years of 2025 to 26 or 2024 to 25 are also eligible to apply. The mode of selection is going to be that the candidates will be screened and shortlisted for an online interview first, and the final selection is contingent upon meeting eligibility criteria. The documents that you are required to upload are CV, your CV resume, your ID proof, which could include your Aadhaar, PAN, or passport, your academic mark sheets, certificates, 10th onwards, in all in chronological order in a single PDF. You have to compile from your 10th to your current academic qualification and upload it in a single PDF, and a recommendation letter from your mentor or your supervisor. So these are the basic requirements and the eligibility criteria. So this is a basic form, Google form, which you have to fill, upload all the necessary details, and then wait for you to get shortlisted. If you get shortlisted, they will notify you, and then you can undergo the process of screening and interview. So this is a good chance. This is a nice fellowship. You can apply through this fellowship across various training labs or institutions in India. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can mail them or write it down to us in the comment section. We will definitely answer for you guys. And if you like the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can also participate in this fellowship and get benefited by it. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you have subscribed to our channel already so that you don't miss out for any internship or workshop related information in the near future. And thank you for watching.